open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
Come on, go inside. Got the idiot. What's up, C-Neat? What's up, bro? What's up, C-Neat? Wake Forest bound with the Lexus, the little bro. A little drizzling outside today. It's pretty cold. Yeah, man, this North Carolina weather is crazy. It is ridiculous right now. We're in complete control of the situation.
No, that's my thing. You can't say that. It's my inside joke.
I didn't need to turn it off.
Yeah, we're on the way to Cars and Coffee, boy. It's lit.
I need a GPS, boy.
Oh. So,
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move.
Oh my god! That hurt my butt.
that wasn't healthy.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah,
Cars and Coffee, Wake Forest. Turns out it was a bust. It's kind of lame. I mean, there's nice cars, but it's like only like at most 20 people here, where there's supposed to be like 100. But it is Christmas Eve and it's kind of cold and rainy.
You should name your car Ruby.
Shut up.
Ruby. Because it's red, you know, and it's like a jewel. Ruby. It's a pretty cool name.
Okay.
I'm telling you.
Okay. No, it's not a ruby. It's Mona Lisa.
You're the one that was saying
Love.
new names.
Love. Bro, get out my vlog.
You're so cool.
Like we got this cool looking Genesis, pretty cool, nice rims. We got this Honda Civic, slammed, got rims and stuff. You know what I mean? Got that right there, the E36. Got these kind of yeah. Got the stocks over here. Got the stocks.
And then the big pop.
This Benz is awesome.
Transmitters.
German muscle, feel me? Got his GTI Slam. I love it. Got the Sylvia. Feel me?
Oh yeah.
Got the Mero. There's a way. Feel good. Done with Cars and Coffee. Got back. Editing the video. Lil bro playing GTA. Hopefully there'll be a better turnout next time. I think there's Cars and Coffee next week, so I'm gonna do another vlog for that one. So happy holidays. Peace out.